Now that we've gone over supply and demand, we went over demand and price being a determinant of how many would be demanded. Now we can look at the supply side. The supply side is the businesses or the manufacturers of the items. So once again, we have our price, our quantity supplied, and we're looking again at a single can of Pepsi. So with that, we have our same idea of we have our $10 as our highest price and 10 items that would be supplied. So 10 cans of Pepsi, imagine them being on the shelf. And at $10, if I go over and down, at $10, I'm probably going to have 10 of those items on the shelf. Okay? And so once again, I start to drop my price to $8. And now at $8, imagine if I go over and match these up, that at $8, I would have 8 left on the shelf. So people are starting to buy them as the price drops. So then go to 6 and 4 and 2 and 1 and $0. So at all those different price amounts, different amounts are going to be supplied or left on the shelf. Remember, suppliers want to offer as many of their items at the highest price possible, but that doesn't always work. So as price decreases, the quantity supplied would decrease. This is a positive relationship. So with this positive relationship, that means whatever price does, quantity supplied would do the same. So as price goes down, the amount supplied would go down. And if price went up, more of them would stay on the shelf. So it would look like price goes up, the quantity supplied would be going up. So now at $6, maybe we'd have 6 left on the shelf, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Okay? So if I connect 6 and 6 and 4 and 3 and so on, and at 0, I know that no one would have any left on the shelf because for free they'd all be taken. If I were to connect all these, now I have a positive slope or a supply curve. So the second and third letters of the word supply spell up, so always remember supply goes up. So this is now a supply curve showing each quantity and each price available on the same graph. Now our law of supply is simply that positive relationship. As price changes, quantity changes in the same exact direction. And that is why price determines the amount of each item that would be supplied. So price is our main determinant of demand and supply.